so it's about 10 a.m. right now, but I have my first meal, so let me show you guys what I'm gonna have. Alright guys, so first meal of the day, protein French toast. Hella fucking sexy. And then we also have vitamins, so we have 1 omega fats, vitamin D3, vitamin C, ashwagandha. Yeah, so that's gonna be my breakfast for today. I'll put the macros up in the screen if I can, and then I'll catch you guys next meal. Yo, so it's about 2 hours from when I had breakfast. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna have for my snack. Alright guys, so here we have some beef cooking, 80% lean, 20% fat. And then over here, we're gonna chop these vegetables up and then saute them so that we can make some protein quesadillas. Alright guys, so now that the vegetables are all chopped up, we're gonna toss them into the pan for them to start frying. Guys, look at these fucking tacos. I was hoping to make some quesadillas, but fuck, look at that. Alright guys, so the macros for this meal are 44 grams of protein, 65 grams of carbs, 48 grams of fat. And the total calories for this meal are 900 calories. So this meal is definitely very useful when you're bulking. If you're struggling to add weight or like struggling to gain weight, definitely check out this meal. And enjoy this meal. Catch you guys when I have lunch. Yo, what is up guys? So it's about 6:10 right now. I'm about to have my lunch. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna have. Alright, so we have 350 grams of white rice, 4 ounces of beef, and then 1 serving of cheese. Yo, so the macros for this meal are 49.5 grams of protein, 110 grams of carbs, and 45.1 grams of fat. And then also, we're gonna have this Power Crunch bar. Yo, guys, so I just remembered that I already filmed a chest workout last time, so what I'm gonna do is that I will be picking up this vlog tomorrow evening. See you guys tomorrow. Yo, what is up, guys? So it's currently 8:30 right now, as you guys can see. I'm about to smash this push workout in my boy Caleb. But before that happens, I just want to come here and say that I'm thinking of starting a YouTube series called Journey to Aesthetics. If you guys are interested, comment down below. Alright guys, so I gotta make this quick, but Gorilla Mode lemon lime for tonight's pre-workout stacked with strawberry bubbly. So mix these, get a juicy fucking pump, and I hope you guys fucking enjoy this workout. so I forgot to film an outro, so it's currently the next day actually. But last night I came back home. I had 200 grams of rice with 4 ounces of beef. That was my last meal. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So yeah, hit that subscribe and like button. See you guys next time.